Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Temu affiliate program. So this is a step-by-step process on how you can apply the Temu affiliate program and of course, how you can earn on Temu. So the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your website and then visit the Temu website. So just type out using the search bar at the top, temu.com, and you'd be directed to this page. And of course, you have to make sure that you have created your Temu account. And if you already have an account, then you can sign in with Google as well. So once you're here, you'd be able to see different products. Of course, there are so many products here on Temu. And right here at the top left, you'd be able to see here the bestseller section. So when you go here, you'd be able to see all of the best selling products. We also have the 5-star rated products. Okay. And then the 1111 or the sale products or products that has discount as of the moment. Okay, and then the next one is the new arrivals. Okay, you'd be able to see here all of the new arrivals products on Temu. And here is the category. So you'd be able to see here different categories if you want to be specific with the product that you are looking for. Okay, so before that, let us now proceed to the affiliate and influencer earn commission option. So just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll be able to see this option right here. And once you click on it, you'd be redirected to the Temu affiliate and influencer program platform. Okay, so right here, you'd be able to see your dashboard. So we have affiliate, the peak items option, and the invite affiliate option. So let us begin with the affiliate. So right here, you can share LinkedIn code, get referrals, and then earn your commission. Okay, so you can earn right here. So for new app users, so the first download app and then reinstalled users and installed over the 14 days. So you'd be able to see here the percent commission, which is 30%. Okay, so this one, so an orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. The next one is the 100 peso download reward. So here for every referral who download and order and delivered. So you just have to simply click on the share to earn option. And here just have to copy the text for simplified sharing. So just have to simply click on the copy option and then you can share it on your email, on your Twitter account, Facebook, Pinterest, or any social media platforms that you have. So you just have to copy this one and then just post it. Okay, and then here for the referrals can get. Okay, so let us see the details for this one. So for number one, the referrals benefits. So for number one, we have new app users can click your link to receive a 2,000 peso coupon bundle after first downloading the application. Next, new app users have the opportunity to receive a free gift from Temu. Third is the new app users can redeem your code to enjoy a 30% discount. Next, new app users can purchase exclusive deal items through your exclusive deal item link. Then the fifth one is all users can enjoy incredible discounts and save big site-wide. So just have to share this one as well. Okay, so to do that, you just have to simply click on the share now option one by one. And here we also have the simplified text for sharing. So you just have to copy this one and then can share it on your email, X account, or Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and other social media accounts that you have. Okay, so right here we also have our balance or the available cash that we have earned on Temu as an affiliate and influencer. So right here, we have to reach about 500 minimum to withdraw, no maximum limit overall. So we have to keep on grinding in order to get the minimum requirement for us to withdraw this cash. Next is the pick items option. So when you go here, you'd be able to see different products that you can use to share on your social media accounts and earn your commission here on Temu. So if you can find here the products that you're looking for, you can scroll down and see the option show more and be able to see here more products. And of course, right here, the very top, we have those categories. We have appliances, shoes, men's shoes, pets, men's automotive, and more. So So you just have to be specific. And then if you're looking for a specific item, then you can use the search bar at the top. And then you just have to type out that keyword. For example, mirror. So let me just correct the spelling for mirror here. Okay, so these are the products that we are trying to find. And if you find the perfect product that you can share, then you'd be able to see here now the price of the product and, of course, the maximum commission when you share this product. So you just have to click on the share option right here, and then you can earn up to 128.7 pesos. So you can copy this item link right here, then you can share it on your email, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, or any other social media accounts that you have. So for example, let me share this one. So I'm going to share this product to my Pinterest account. After that, when you share this to your Pinterest account, you have to choose a board. And if you would like to create a new board, then just click on the create board. And then once you select that board, that specific product will be uploaded to your board on Pinterest. And for the last one is the invite affiliate. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and once you've done that, you'd be able to see this page right here. So for the let me just go back. Okay, let me just click on the invite affiliate once again. Okay, for you to see, so just simply click on it. So here we can get reward by inviting new affiliate in 17 countries. So to know what are the available countries, you just click on it. And right here, you'd be able to see all of the eligible countries. Okay, and then the platforms, the required followers, of course. And then you can earn up to 825 pesos per invited affiliate. So the first one is the 825 peso, invite to up to 825 peso, and so on. So we have here an invitation guide. So the first one is you can earn up to 750 pesos, invite a new affiliate with over 1,000 followers on the social media platforms. Next, earn up to 75 pesos, invite a new affiliate who has earned a commission in our affiliate program. So 20% secondary commission on your invited affiliates earnings for 60 days. Then you can invite here to earn so exclusive benefits for new affiliates right here. So via your invitation link or code. So for the welcome gift, we have 100 peso. For the free credit, we have 4,500. And then for the commission, we have 30%. And then here we'll be able to see here our available earnings for the invite affiliate section. Just the same, we just have to reach the minimum requirement, which is 500 pesos, in order to cash out this available balance. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.